Viva.
You know, usually in Greece you say steniyasu. Steniyasu means to life.
Okay.
But you see, we are from Crete, and from Crete you say Viva.
And it becomes programmed in us, right? When we hear the word Aviva, we always, connect it with happy thoughts and people being together.
I want to talk about a Greek dance. When I listen to the music, it connects in my soul. It makes me feel good, and almost makes me feel like I want to fly. It's like,
I think it's the greatest form of expression, especially that dance. Seeing, my grandfathers, uncles, people dancing it. It's really, everyone has their own style to express themselves and feel really good about it. Everyone who's doing it is always smiling. You're adding in there, you're gonna go dance too.
I've watched videos of it, and it's just that happiness, joyfulness, and just letting yourself go and enjoying the moment, which is fantastic.
Motion creates emotion, right?
Yep.
And it's been, hammered into our culture where, if you want to feel better, move, do something. And I think, for us, it's the outlet has been a lot of times Greek dance. As a young kid, I've always been in the Greek dancing community. I've been traveling, doing a lot of different stuff with it.
And you do it well.
Thank you.
You do it with passion. You have that passion. That makes you great.
And I think that's what happens. Like, you feel good doing it, and you start doing it better and better. And it makes other people feel good. Because it's hard to feel bad seeing someone who feels good. Energy just transmitted to other people.
Yes.
To me, it's two things connects people: food and music. If the food is good and the music is good, there's no judgment. With this song, when I hear this song, it makes me forget about the negativity in the world and brings the positive. It's like I told you, I love visualizing myself as a bird flying up in the sky and looking down. You know what I mean? It's like, especially it's a beautiful day, you fly high, you're feeling good. What's better than that? And to me, it represents three things: appreciating yourself, appreciating the people around you, and give you love and energy to the universe.
Viva!
Viva.
Viva.